Hello friends, there is an update to this project. When I was looking at it, I was thinking how to make it more cooler, more beautiful. Then I thought to add something at these endpoints. And let's see what we can do. Well, for now, let's click on this icon to open our brush library. Go to decorative, elegant and curl brushes and let's select this one. Now let's close this one because we have got it here. Now just select it and using the brush tool, let's draw one. And while drawing, make sure to hold the shift key. Okay, I think I'm liking this one. So let's delete these three. And now we have got this shape, right? Now using the rectangle tool, let's draw a rectangle here. Provide a fill color, say yellow, like this. And now select these two, go to window menu and select Pathfinder panel. Here is the one. This is the one. First of all, this is just a stroke. We need to expand it. So let's go to object and click on expand appearance. Yep. Now we can work on it. Yes, friend. Before, what it was actually, it was just a simple brush stroke. And if you take a look, it is just a single line. It is having no fill but this stroke. This is the stroke only. Okay. We need to expand it to work with it and to include it inside our border. So let's now select these two and let's click on divide. And now select, and now using the direct selection tool, select these two, delete it. Yeah, and now we can work on these. So let's shrink it a little bit. Let's zoom in to work more efficiently. And this bounding box is becoming an issue to work with. Let's go to view and let's click on hide bounding box. Yeah, okay. Even you can send it to back. Yeah. And now our reflection technique. So first copy it using alt dragging and make sure that you have selected the selection tool previously. So first select the selection tool, then select the object which you want to copy, then alt drag it. Now right click, transform, reflect. There you go. And now just move it. Yeah, it is looking nice only, but we want to change its color to something else. Say let's make its fill color this one. What do you think? Or even yeah, I think this one is looking nice. Or black. I think I'm liking this blue color only. And now I am thinking to create a copy of this text and to blur it. Yes, friend. I think that will look really cool, isn't it? So again, how we can copy it? Alt drag, just like this. Or what you can do is, let's Control Z, select this text, go to edit, copy, edit, paste in back. Okay, and now we are going to blur it. For blurring, go to effect, blur, Gaussian blur. Let's take a look at the preview and you will understand what's happening. See, so just zoom out to take a look that how it is looking. Yup, I think it's looking a lot cooler, right? Control Z, let's redo. Yup, 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 yup. Okay, so that's it guys. I think it is looking lot cooler, right? And it's really looking beautiful, and even you can try changing its color if you wish. You can make it black. Yeah, okay. And another thing, let's select this rectangle, and also you can change its fill color. See, just like this. And for doing this, you can select these two shapes, and I mean the last two shapes that we have drawn at the end. Go to arrange and bring to front. There you go. And I am thinking that let's not make a fill. Yeah, let's make the fill none only. Select these two, send to back, arrange, send to back. Yeah, okay. So let me save it. Happy birthday pattern. There you go. Now let's select everything, press Ctrl G for grouping, and now it's a single group. Okay, so that's it. Here I am concluding this project, and as you already know by now that in our next lecture we are going to draw cartoon faces, and this is a pattern that I will show you later on in this course only, that how we can draw really cool patterns with really cool tips and tricks. Yes friend. Well, so that's it guys. Here I'm concluding this lecture. If you have any confusion, if you have anything, if you have some issue understanding some concept, you can always feel free to let me know. And that's it. Okay, thank you guys.